trust is one of the pillars of marriage. And so I know when we talk about marriage and we talk about relationship and we talk about the responsibilities of a husband and that how the husband is supposed to cultivate the atmosphere and the space of trust in the family unit. But so many times we hear men and women complain that the other one is not trustful or they break that trust. And so let me just give you one component of how to build trust in a marriage and how to build trust in a relationship. And the number one thing is do what you say. Do what you promise to do. So if you are married and you told your wife that on Wednesday you are going to wash the car, and then Wednesday roll around and then you don't wash it, and you come up with an excuse, you begin to erode the trust she has in you as head of the household. Another thing that can erode trust is not being faithful. Now, we know that faith is a component of being married, right? That's part of the pillars of a marriage. But faith, not just faith in God, but also faithful in your commitment, being faithful to the things that you say you're going to do. It's very important, men, that you keep your word. That's why we have a wedding day, because that is the first thing that you promise her for engagement. You understand? So you promise your wife you're going to marry her, then you follow through and you married her. That begins the trust building in that relationship. Now, once you set that precedent of saying, hey, I said I was going to marry you, I marry you, then everything else to come out your mouth, you must be able to back it up. Just don't say something just to say it. And it takes a real man to do that. So whatever you say you are going to do, do it. Whatever it is. And keep your word, because it is one of the most important components in an everlasting, true, happy marriage.